Hi guys, welcome back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So today we have a notification for you guys from ICAR. So this is their 21-day sponsored, completely sponsored winter school, and it is going to be on vaccine engineering techniques for development of new generation vaccines against animal diseases. So this winter school is going to be from 22nd of January to 11th of February 2026. So let's see what are the details that they have mentioned about this winter school. So, first of all, I'd like to tell you that this winter school is completely sponsored. We'll get into the details. You don't have to pay for anything, any boarding, lodging, or anything to attend this winter school. So, this is a great opportunity if you're interested in this. Stick on to the video. So, this is sponsored by Agricultural Education Division of Indian Council of Agriculture Research and organized by ICAR and Indian Veterinary Research Institute in Bangalore, Karnataka. So this is their background about their institute. You can go through it. The major topics that they are going to be covering is related to vaccine engineering techniques. So they have mentioned here in the details also. This is first the topic, advanced genetic engineering techniques for next generation vaccine designs, then virus like particles, nanobiomaterials, novel adjuvant systems to enhance immunity of animal vaccines, designing synthetic multi-epitopic peptide vaccines, new generation RNA vaccines, reverse genetics approaches for development of viral vectored vaccines, CRISPR-Cas techniques for the development of gene-edited bacterial and viral vaccines, computational biology, AI, ML, enabled vaccine design platform for epitope prediction and immunogen design and discovery. The eligibility for this winter school is candidates with MVSc or MSc degrees are and working are not below the rank of assistant professors are equivalent in the National Agricultural Research System NARS, including ICAR Institutes and other recognized organizations are eligible as per ICAR guidelines. The duration of the winter school is going to be for 21 days, starting from 22nd January to 11th of February 2026. And the participants are expected to arrive at, after your selection, you are expected to arrive at ICAR-IVRI Bangalore campus latest by 21st January and leave only after 5 o'clock of 11th February 2026. For the registration, you have to fill in the application form, which is there in this PDF only with this brochure, or you can download with the QR scan, which is provided here. You have to make a payment of only 50 rupees, that is your registration fee. So this is the only amount you have to pay, and this you have to pay through online mode, NEFT, IMPS, UPI, etc. The details of the online payment they have mentioned here, you can check it out. Now for Google Form submission, you have to access the Google Form by the link or QR code. You have to fill the personal and professional details and upload the required documents, the payment proof, the scanned copy of the approved application form. The email submission of the application form is optional. If you want, you can do it. So this is about the campus. Do read it out. And now here they have clearly mentioned that the selected participants will be provided free boarding and lodging in the institute guest house. Food expenses will also be borne by the organizers as per ICAR norms. All the participants will be reimbursed for the to and the fro, like the going and the coming of the fare for the journey to IVRI Bangalore campus by rail or by bus, whichever is the shortest due to restricted and the route is restricted to the maximum of AC2 tier train fare or bus fare. And the local participants, they are not eligible for boarding and lodging. They have to go back after the session and they will be provided lunch in the and the inter-session tea at the campus only, and no DA will be paid to the participants. So this is completely sponsored, as I mentioned before, right from your fare to the going to Bangalore and the return fare, the food and the stay, everything is covered by them. You just have to pay 50 rupees registration fee. So now these are the important dates. The last day for the submission of the application is 30th December 2025. The date of communication of acceptance is going to be on 5th January 2026. Confirmation of participants by the candidate. Participation by the candidate, you have to give it by latest by 10th of January 2026 that yes, you are participating after your selection. Commencement of the winter school is going to be from 22nd of January 2026. So this was all the major details that I have covered in the video. These are the core faculty members. If you want to look at their profiles, you can go and check it out, what work they are doing. And this is the application form. You have to get it filled and send it to them, and later you will be accepted. And the rest of the steps you have to follow that they have already mentioned. So if you have any queries, you can write it down in the comment section. And all the best to all the participants who are going to apply for this winter school. This is a great opportunity. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up and make sure that you share it with your friends so that you can attend together. And thank you for watching.